Hey, what's up everyone? John here from testprepinsight.com, and today I'll be covering the best apps available for learning German online. Our team has tested and evaluated over 10 different language programs at this point. Now it's time to reveal which ones we think are the best overall. So if you're ready, let's get to it. Okay, welcome back. I should just mention up front here that since I'll primarily just be covering the major highlights today, if you find you need more detail at any point during this video, we also have a full written guide over on our website that contains a lot more info. The quickest way to find that is probably just to Google Test Prep Insight, best apps to learn German. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Our number one pick and editor's choice is Rocket German. After reviewing almost a dozen different language programs, Rocket separates themselves as the clear winner. Their German course is the most complete and well-rounded from top to bottom. And there's 4 highlights that I want to quickly discuss here to help illustrate this. The first highlight is Rocket's interactive audio lessons, in which you listen to and respond to fluent speakers within the framework of mock conversations. In my opinion, these guided conversations are remarkably effective for improving your listening comprehension and verbal skills. You're essentially asked to use the German language under pressure, just like you would in real-life situations. That's the key point here. You're getting simulated real-world experience with Rocket's interactive lessons. Then moving past the audio lessons, Rocket also provides an array of reinforcement exercises and drills to improve your reading and writing skills. This really helps to drive home language retention beyond the audio portion. And the lessons also utilize Google's cutting-edge web speech API, which many consider to be one of the best speech tools in the world. So in practice, here's how it works. As you complete the audio lessons and various practice drills, Rocket, in conjunction with Google's tech, records your voice to determine the accuracy of your German words and pronunciation on a scale from 1 to 100. It's pretty neat. The immediate feedback is super helpful for ensuring you're using the language correctly. And lastly, I like that Rocket emphasizes grammar content and instruction within its coursework. Both their audio lessons and digital textbook lessons are full of helpful explanations, tips, and insights to help you grasp all the different grammar rules and principles in the German language. Really, the only drawback I can find with Rocket is the price point. Their lifetime plans are a bit pricier than the other options on the market. However, what I will say here though is that those prices are a little misleading. And that's because Rocket is almost always running some sort of deal or special promotion. To make things easy, you can check what the current sale is down below in the description or by clicking the text box right here above my shoulder. Chances are you can save at least 50%, if not more, which makes Rocket very competitively priced. Alright, so next up on our list is Pimsleur. Their German course is similar to Rocket's in several respects. For example, Pimsleur also offers engaging interactive audio lessons that really help develop your listening comprehension and conversational skills. Rocket and Pimsleur, in my opinion, are the 2 best in this regard. But Pimsleur does vary from Rocket in a few different ways. For one, the Pimsleur lessons, exercises, and drills integrate more pictures and graphics than Rocket's. So if you tend to favor visual learning, Pimsleur might be a better choice for you. Second, the Pimsleur audio lessons are equipped with a driving mode feature, so if you're a working professional with a long commute, or you just find yourself regularly taking long trips, then Pimsleur may be the more convenient choice. That way you can easily complete lessons while you're on the go. The next difference, and possibly most important for budget shoppers, is that Pimsleur offers monthly subscription plans rather than lifetime plans like Rocket. So if you want to take things slow and sort of dip your toes in the water before fully committing, then Pimsleur is going to be the cheaper option to start. Plus, Pimsleur even offers a 7-day free trial period so you can take their course for a test drive. The link to the free trial is right here above my shoulder, and I'll also have that down below in the description. So bottom line, think of Pimsleur as a more affordable alternative to Rocket. Their lessons are comparable to Rocket's in several respects, but their German course overall is just not quite as comprehensive as Rocket's. Okay, for those of you on a budget, our top pick is Babbel. Their German course isn't quite as comprehensive as Rocket's or Pimsleur's, and I primarily say that because their content and curriculum is just somewhat basic when it comes to verbal practice. But other than that, Babbel receives very high marks. Their practice exercises and drills are diverse and engaging, their speech recognition technology is quick and accurate, their lessons incorporate streamlined grammar content and instruction that's easy to understand, and their mobile app and digital interface are top-notch. And I should also mention that their lessons only take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete, making them ideal for working professionals or busy moms and dads. But perhaps the best part about Babbel is that their subscription plans are fairly cheap. I'm talking as low as $7 per month cheap. Plus, like Rocket, Babbel routinely offers sales and promos throughout the year, so be sure to check the description or the link above my shoulder for current discounts. Bottom line, if you want engaging, fast-moving German lessons that won't drain your wallet, then Babbel is going to be your answer. And if I could just say, we work really hard to produce honest, helpful, and informative content, all totally free. So if any of the language apps that I cover today end up being the right fit for you, myself and the rest of the team would really appreciate it if you'd use those links listed down below in the description. Using those links supports our channel and allows us to keep creating these types of helpful review videos. Alright, so last up here, our pick for best live instruction is Lingoda. And I should say up front here that Lingoda isn't a full-fledged language learning course by itself. Instead, think of Lingoda more so as an online language school. The program revolves around live classes with certified fluent teachers. So here's how it works. For a monthly fee, you get access to a set number of classes. You can choose between small group live classes with no more than 4 students per class, or you can choose one-on-one tutoring if you prefer more personalized instruction. The classes are typically 60 minutes long and span across beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. And what's nice is that Lingoda offers hundreds of these classes throughout the week, so you can essentially build a study plan around your specific calendar. And then, after scheduling and completing each class, you download the relevant study materials and take a short quiz to help the materials sink in before moving on. Overall, I was just really impressed with the Lingoda German classes that I completed. If you're not the self-studier type and instead need classes and a set study plan to help you stay accountable, then I think Lingoda is an excellent option. Just a terrific way to interact with other students and learn from experienced German teachers. Alright, time for the final verdict. But before I get to that, I should mention that every single month here at Test Prep Insight, we give away a free language learning course to one lucky person. It's super simple to enter. Everyone is eligible. I'll put all the details down below in the description, but just know, it takes less than 10 seconds to enter, and hey, you never know. You could win a free German course from one of the companies that I've talked about here today. Okay, let's put a bow on this video. What is the best app on the market to learn German? Well, I think the answer to that question largely depends on how much money you can afford to spend and what type of learner you are. If money is a major concern, then I think Babbel is the clear answer for as low as $7 per month. If you're not a self-paced type of learner and instead need live instruction and a set schedule to keep yourself motivated, then I would lean towards Lingoda. But all that aside, if you're genuinely serious about becoming fluent in German and you're simply looking for the best overall app or course to help you accomplish that, then I think Rocket or Pimsleur is the way to go. With maybe Rocket German having the slight edge thanks to the overall depth of their coursework. I just think Rocket German is the most complete package and offers everything you need to reach an intermediate to advanced level of fluency. And that's all I've got for you. I hope this video has been helpful and you learned a little something. If so, make sure to return the favor by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and dropping us a quick comment below. That'd really be appreciated. And again, if you want to see that full detailed written guide that I mentioned earlier in this video, just hop on over our website, testprepinsight.com, or check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. We have a ton of great language content out there. But as always, thanks for watching, best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one.